Hey guys, we're just setting up another cooking show. As you can see, our house is a bit of a mess. We've got so much lighting, microphones, multiple cameras. We've got this little doohickey 8M Black Magic Atom live streaming kit. It gets even worse because this is just the setup for shooting. The other room is completely dedicated to the editing and actual live streaming. But yeah, you can see what a nightmare this is right now. We've got all of this, which is my cooking area, and about 2 or 3 times that space for all my lighting and sound equipment. So yeah, wish us luck, guys! So I wanted to show everyone what we've been working on in terms of the live stream. We've got quite a bit of new tools. We started overlaying a lot of information into our live videos to show people exactly what we're doing, when we're doing it, and important information. So that right there was the ingredients for the dumplings. We did some nice little transitions and multi-cameras set up. Don't forget my amazing dropping skills. So we put a lot of these pre-recorded scenes in our live where we can show people finer details. For instance, while you're making the pockets and filling the pockets, we want to show people how you actually do the next step. So it's a mixture of live and pre-recorded. So unfortunately, a lot of the live stream recording didn't work. We just had a lot of audio mishaps, so we had to do this in post-production. But hopefully next time we know what the mistake was and we won't have that again.